Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Telegram stars for free. The first thing you can try is to look for certain channels or groups that are doing a giveaway of stars. You can participate in whatever event they are doing and you can earn free stars doing it that way. Another way you can try is to go on your Telegram app and go under apps. Under here, you can join a certain app that gives you daily login stars. So if you stay consistent and you log in daily, you can earn a certain amount of stars doing it that way. Another thing that I can show you is to go to your settings, go on the top 3 lines, go under settings and scroll down to where it says my stars. Click where it says earn stars from mini apps. Under here, you can use affiliate programs, whereby these programs, they give you a chance to join and they can generate you a link that you can use to invite as many people as you can to their application or program. Doing this, it earns you a certain amount of stars according to the people that you get to invite to their program or application. And lastly, and let's say if you don't want to do all that, you can just buy the Telegram stars. Just go where it says top up balance and you can choose a certain package that you want to buy. You're done.